And that is a look at New Delhi. Air pollution is putting the health of millions of people at risk there. Pollution levels are 10 times the safe limit. To fight it, private vehicles are being banned from roads in the Indian capital. The ban will alternate daily between vehicles with even and odd numbered license plates for the next 2 weeks. But experts say that may not help. They point to industrial pollution as a major cause. There is also heavy smoke blowing over the city from farms where fields are being burned ahead of planting. Officials have handed out millions of air masks. Rain that could clear the air isn't in the forecast for days. There are more than 20 million people in New Delhi, and our next guest is one of them. Divya Tajeja joins us now. So Divya, can you describe the quality of air that you are having to breathe right now?
Hi, Dan. Greetings from Delhi. The air quality is really, really bad. The air is absolutely unbreathable. We just got up one morning and what we can see is just haze, smoke, and it is so difficult to breathe. The air is choking, and then there is itchy eyes, itchy nose, and it is very bad. It is as bad as it can get.
We're looking at some pictures right now that you took sort of one day to back in July when things were pretty clear. And then the picture from, I guess, just the other day, it's just a haze is everywhere. How long has it been like that?
This started around 28th of October, and we expect that it is going to last for another 15 days. That is what the forecasts say, that until there are some winds or there are rains, the haze is not likely to go away.
Wow.
The pollution levels do rise in October in Delhi, but every year we face this problem around the end of October and then the first fortnight of November.
Now, this must be causing some health problems for people. What are you hearing about?
Loads of health problems, I must say, starting from respiratory problems, breathing problems. I mean, it's difficult to breathe, there is choking, and then people are coming up with all kinds of allergies, be it in the eyes, nose, and then, problems with sinuses, speech, and then other than that, it causes headaches, migraines, asthma. Asthma has increased dramatically. That is what we are coming across so much. And then there are skin allergies. I mean, all kinds of problems tend to rise with this kind of smoke, and that's the immediate effect. We don't know what is the long-term effect of this smoke, because they say that it's like smoking about, say, any number of cigarettes in a day, or the kind of carcinogens, the cancer-causing agents that are there in the air. So that is the long-term health effect that people in Delhi have to suffer from.
We are seeing
considering that this is becoming an annual phenomena.
What kind of phenomenon?
An annual phenomena. It is happening every year.
Wow. I mean, we're looking at some of the pictures. It just looks like it's all foggy and hazy. But what is the government saying about this? What are officials telling people who obviously can't be very happy about this circumstance?
The government is making its efforts. People are making their efforts. I mean, ever since this haze has increased so much, a lot of pollution control measures have come in. At this point of time, all construction activity in the city has been stopped. And then there are talks that areas which are really, really polluted, the kind of sweeping and cleaning activities are all, using water and no dry sweeping, so that it releases more dust. That does not take place. And then people are also very careful that there is no garbage burning. But this thing looks like it is going to last for some more time. The government is handing out masks to people. The schools have been closed for the last 1 week, and another 1 or 2 days, the schools are likely to be closed, because it's really hazardous for the children to go out in this kind of smoke. And the courts are taking their measures as well.
So this circumstance, as you're saying, it happens every year. I mean, is there any discussion about a longer-term solution that, something should be done so that there's not such a terrible situation with pollution in India?
Yes, absolutely. They are looking at different factors. See, wind changes is one factor that we don't really have a control of, but other pollution-causing factors, that is the industrial smoke, and a major factor, which is the farm burning, which happens around this time of the year to prepare the farms for next year. there are measures that are happening that this kind of activity is stopped or is curtailed so that it does not cause so much of pollution. And then the crackers were banned this year. But in spite of that, there were, people did burst a lot of crackers in spite of their sale being banned. So there is a lot of, promotional activities to cause behavioral changes to have a little more sustainable activities, environment sustainable activities.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time today. We really appreciate it, and try and stay safe there, Divya.
Yeah, thank you.
That was Divya Taneja in New Delhi.